Today we will see a photosynthetic reaction in which how the dark reaction and light reaction is happening. As you know that photosynthesis is the process in which carbon dioxide and water are used to produce carbohydrate and evolve oxygen in the presence of light and chlorophyll. The net result is that light energy, that is called radiant energy, is converted into a chemical energy in the form of fixed carbon compound, carbohydrate. So, before that you have to understand what is chloroplast. So, chloroplast, the green plastid in which photosynthesis occurs. Then chlorophyll, another terms, that is called the green plant pigment in a chloroplast that absorb the light needed for photosynthesis. Yes. And thylakoid, flattened sac-like membrane inside sac-like membranes inside the chloroplast contain the chlorophyll. Now the granum. Granum is a stack of thylakoid. Okay. This stack of thylakoid or granum or stack of thylakoids is there. Then stomata means lamella. Okay, that is connect that grana in the chloroplast and stroma the fluid matrix of the chloroplast. This is all about the what is stroma, what is granum, okay, what is chloroplast. Now we will start with the light reactions. Inside the thylakoid membrane of a granum, here water is split to produce oxygen, which is evolved as a byproduct. Now here electrons and hydrogen ion. Each electron is then absorbed. The chlorophyll, which also absorb light, that is radiant energy, to bring the electrons to a high energy state. The energized electron is passed from chlorophyll to electron carrier of the electron transport chain. This. Okay. As the electron is transported, an energy gradient is generated which actually uses the H+, which allow an enzyme ATPase to make ATP. When the electron gets into end of the chain, it is pretty well drained of added energy, and NADP act as a terminal electron acceptor. To utilize the last bit of energy in the electrons to produce NADPH. Okay. Thus, the radiant energy, light, is used to produce metabolic energy, that is in form of ATP and NADPH. Okay. Now this is it is called Eureka. The plant has made chemical energy from light energy, but there is a problem. ATP and NADPH are short-lived and cannot be stored or easily transported where it is needed. Okay. The plant must figure out a way to save this precious chemical energy. That is where the dark reaction come into picture. Now dark reaction, a very important enzyme, that is ribulose biphosphate carboxylase, or it is called as Rubisco. So this Rubisco combines a 5-carbon sugar with CO2 molecules to produce 6-carbon compound that immediately break into a 3-carbon sugar acid, that is 2. This 3-carbon sugar acid is not very usable by the product, by the plant. So through these a series of reactions, happening. Okay. So as I said, in dark reaction, there is 3-carbon sugar, that is 3-PGA, is not very usable by the plant. So through, as I said, a series of reaction, it is converted 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot and 4 dot, these 3 arrows, that called triose phosphate. Okay. This triose phosphate, this require metabolic energy which is derived from ATP and NADPH produced by the light reaction. The triose phosphate is used to produce glucose and other sugar, or is stored as glucose in the starch. The plant produces a stable, transportable storage form of chemical energy, that is in sugar, and for the cycle to continue, some of the triose phosphate must be used to replenish the original 5-carbon sugar, RUBP. Okay, and this takes metabolic energy which is supplied by ATP from the light reaction. The direct reaction continue as long as the light reaction supplies it with energy in the form of ATP and NADPH. Thus, the dark reaction only occurs in light. Okay, this is all about the light reaction and dark reaction. Thank you.